Sample Manager's workflow tool allows teams to follow laboratory SOP steps performed on samples directly within the application. Capturing these steps in a workflow job helps teams understand outstanding or ongoing lab work via the workflow dashboard. By incorporating the use of workflow within Sample Manager, teams can also better understand everything that's happened to a sample. To create a new workflow job, simply select the samples that need to undergo the SOP. Select Jobs and start a new job. Choose a template to define predetermined tasks within the workflow. Assign a job name, a job owner, any folks that should be notified about the work, and the start and due date of the job. You can also set priority levels as well as SOP-specific data like kit and lot number. Individual tasks can be assigned to other team members and specific due dates for each task. Once the job is created, all users added to the job will be notified of the new work via email. Samples that are in the job will have a timeline record and the workflow job on their sample details page.